Hey there, Excel learners. Ever been given a decimal number and needed to turn it into a proper time format? Maybe you've got 8.75 and want to see it as 8:45 a.m. Or you've got 18.5 and need it to display as 6:30 p.m. Well, you're in luck. Today I'm going to show you exactly how Excel stores time and how you can convert decimal values into readable time formats in just a few clicks. So, let's jump right in. Before we start converting, let's quickly talk about how Excel actually stores time. Key fact. In Excel, the number 1 represents a full 24-hour day. 0.5 means half a day. That's 12 p.m., noon. 0.75 means 3/4 of a day. That's 6 p.m. 0.25 would be a quarter of a day. That's 6 a.m. Let me show you what I mean. If I take some time values and remove their formatting, select the cells containing time values. Go to the number formatting drop-down at the top. Change it to General. This removes any special formatting. Now, you can see that those time values are actually stored as decimal numbers. Pretty cool, right? But now, let's convert decimal numbers into time. All right, so if 1 equals 24 hours, then to convert a decimal value into time, we just need to divide by 24. Let's try it out. Formula to convert decimal to time equals A2 divided by 24. But wait, when you press enter, you'll probably see another decimal number. Don't worry, that's just Excel doing the math. The next step is to format it correctly as a time value. To make sure Excel displays the result as an actual time, select the cell with the formula result. Go to the number formatting drop-down at the top. Choose time. Now your decimal number magically transforms into a time format. But what if you don't want to see seconds in your time? Let's fix that. By default, Excel might display the time as 8:45 a.m. But what if you only want hours and minutes? Here's how to customize the format. Right-click on the cell and choose Format Cells. Go to the Number tab and select Custom. Look through the list and find HH:MM. This means hours and minutes only. Click OK, and now your time is displayed without seconds. Pro tip. If you want a 24-hour format, military time, use HH:MM instead. Now that we've converted one decimal value into time, let's quickly apply the formula to the rest of the column. Click on the cell with the formula. Hover over the bottom right corner of the cell until you see a small plus sign. This is the autofill handle. Double-click or drag it down to copy the formula to all the rows below. And just like that, every decimal value is now properly converted into a readable time format. And there you have it. Before you go. Did this tutorial help you? Let me know in the comments. And if you're enjoying these Excel tips, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy Excel tutorials, hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.